Hey everybody, it's your pal Jonah, once again apologizing for the insane lack of content on my channel. In my defense, Dan and Phil have not been uploading recently, so I've been out of ideas to borrow from. Anyway, I am what some people might call a hoarder. Not in the extreme, reality TV kind of way, where my house is just full of boxes, but more in I have a bunch of stuff that I've never used, and probably never will use, but don't want to throw away. Case in point, in my desk there are 3 drawers, and the drawer at the bottom, the largest drawer, is the drawer where I just throw all my crap that I don't need. Stuff like extra extension cords, command strips, thumbtacks, stuff like that. Also in this drawer is a bunch of crap I brought to college that I have no idea why I bothered to pack them to bring to college, have never used, and also never plan on using. Now, I already did a video on things I probably shouldn't have spent money on. This is a video of things I shouldn't have brought with me to college. So basically the story was I was looking for something, and I went through the junk drawer, and I found all this crap that's sitting off camera here, and some of it's pretty strange. So I'm just gonna go through it. I'll start with the weirdest one. This is a weeping angel stress doll. What it used to do is you would squeeze it and its hands would come open and go blah, like they do in the TV show. Now it's just a floppy mess filled with I don't know if you can see it, but solid clumps because it's been shoved in a drawer so long that the inside is just compressed to rocks basically. This thing is oh, that didn't make as much of a noise as I wanted to. This thing is rock hard. And I don't know why I haven't thrown it away yet, but I still have it. I've had it for 4 years. And I don't know why I still have it. It's broke, obviously. Not only do I not know why I still have it, I don't know why I bothered to pack it to bring with me to college. Why do you exist? I actually might have scissors here. I'm kind of curious, since it's destroyed, I'm kind of curious what the inside of it looks like now. So I'm gonna see if I can puncture. There we go. Oh, that does not look like it's good for me to be breathing in. Okay, next on the list, these. I used these for a video once, and I shouldn't be shaking them around because they're making crazy noises and you probably can't hear me. I'm gonna put them here so you can still see them. I used these for a video once, and it's a video that I do not plan on repeating because it was traumatizing for me. So I don't know why I still have them. Probably because I spent $5 on them. I don't want to throw them away. But I also don't know, again, why I brought them to college. And we'll get to some stuff that I don't even know why I own, or how I own them. I don't know how they got into my possession, but they exist. It's really weird. Next on the list, this bag of Japanese coins. It is a very old Ziploc bag just filled with Japanese coins. I know why I have these, because it's a nice souvenir for my trip to Japan. It's oh, memories. But I don't know why I brought it with me to college. It's useless. There's no exchange place anywhere near here. And I can't use them to buy anything, and they've just been sitting in a drawer the entire time I've been here. They could have just been sitting in a drawer at home. Why did I bring these? I actually wonder how many I have, because there's a lot of coins in here. For those of you who don't know, 1 yen is about 1 Japanese cent, and most of these are 1 cent coins, so that's useless. I do love the 5-cent coins, because it looks like a donut, and it's fun. Yeah, they're cool, but I have them, and I don't know why I have them. Next item! This is turning into meme review on it. Next item! Ow! Frick, I hit my head on the bed. This is a Kyoto City Map that I still have, even though I live several thousand miles from Kyoto. I mean, I know why I kept this, because it's a cool souvenir, how you get brochures at theme parks and keep those. I know that's a thing that people do. But on that note, if it's a souvenir, I don't know why I brought it with me to college. I have a limited amount of space here. And a good 6 square inches of being taken up by this map of Kyoto. Actually, I wonder what it looks like. This actually might be a nice poster to add to my collection. Let me just check it for Nazi symbols, because the swastika is actually a Buddhist symbol that signifies a temple. So let me make sure there are no swastikas on this map before I hang it up on my wall. It doesn't look like there are any. so we should be okay. I have a poster problem, so I probably won't hang it up. I'll just leave it in my junk drawer. Now that I think about it, at the beginning of this video, I probably should have like done a rating system of like will keep, will not keep. Next item, this broken Doctor Who clock. It's missing the minute hand, and when it had a minute hand, it didn't work. But I brought it with me anyway. I don't know why. Like, I don't know why. Yeah, that's really all I can say about this one. I also can say I got it in England. That's kind of cool. I got it in an American military base in England. That's pretty neat. It's okay. Magnetic putty. This was a stocking stuffer from last Christmas. I don't know why. So hold on. Let me show you what it is. Like it says, it's just black stringy putty. But the cool thing about this putty is it's magnetic. So it comes with this magnet here. And it just like, poop, oops, hold on. And it's magnetic, which is kind of cool. That said, I'm almost 20. I don't know why I have putty. Next item, go away sign. It's pretty self-explanatory. I won it at a carnival. And I guess I just didn't have the heart to either hang it up or throw it away. So I guess this sign can go away. All right, so now we're gonna move on to some of the items where not only do I not know why I brought them to college, I don't know where they came from. I have no idea. I don't remember buying them. I don't know, like, why I would have bought them. It's really confusing. I kind of had, like, an existential crisis last night when I was looking through this drawer and I found these items. I don't know. First item, Watch Dogs 2 pins. I don't like Watch Dogs 2 enough to have bought these pins, or maybe I do. Either way, I don't remember buying these pins. And like, they're unwrapped. And I've had them for a long time. I know that. I don't know where they came from or why I have them, but I do. Maybe I'll put them in my computer bag. That would be kind of fun. Moving on. Black Ice car freshener. I don't own a car. Where did this come from? I don't own a car. I don't like air fresheners. I don't like the scent black ice. Where did this come from? Why do I have this? How did it get in my drawer? That's all I want to know. What, when, where, why do I have air freshener? I hope that didn't break the camera. Next, this book. This book, I do know where it came from. I went on a mission trip to Dominican Republic when I was in 9th grade. No, 10th grade. And they had this book there, and it has like parchment inside. I'm like, oh, that's super cool. I'm gonna buy it. It used to say República Dominicana, but some of the letters fell off, so now it just says República Cana. And if you look inside like the front cover, it has like the names of all the people on my team, which is like super fun. We have Sebastian, my best amigo, apparently. I don't think I've talked to him in a long time. I wonder what he's up to. We have Chloe. She's gonna miss me. I don't think I've talked to her in a long time. We have Jonah is the man, love you loads kiddo from Maddie. I don't think I've talked to any of these people in a long time. Wow. We were so hopeful that we would remain friends, and now they just all disappeared. I do know where this book came from. I do know why I bought this. I don't know why I brought it to college, but the reason it's mixed in with the mysterious items category is, let me direct you to page 3. What is this? What? It goes on for like several pages. Like, it stops for like a page or two, and then it keeps going. I don't remember writing any of this. Was I abducted by like aliens one night and like transcribed their language or something? Like, I don't know what any of this is. Like, I have an idea. When I was in high school, around the time I bought this, I was writing a fantasy novel, and I thought it'd be really good. I wonder whatever happened to it. I think it's still on my computer. Maybe I could read it on a video. That'd be, I don't know if I want to do that. If you guys want me to read the fantasy novel I was writing in high school, or what I have written of it on video, let me know down in the comments. Smash like, smash dislike. Don't do that. Forget I said that. But that's like the only guess I have, but I don't know what any of it says. I can't read it anymore. This language has died. It never existed, and it's a dead language, because I was the only speaker, and now I don't speak it anymore. I actually should try to find it. That'd be kind of fun. Maybe react to like the language I made. Anyway, I'm not gonna throw this because it's very fragile and like it's already falling apart. This N is about to come undone. It used to say Minikana and the I fell off this morning. The N is about to come up, so I'm not gonna throw it. I'm gonna set it down gently there. Next item, this mystery folder. I haven't opened it, but it has my initial on it, and I have no clue what's inside of it. I found it in my junk drawer, and it contains who knows. So I thought I would open it on camera for your viewing pleasure. So let's see what is inside of it. Oh, lots of things. Oh, it's cherished memories. It's just a folder of cherished memories. We have a collage of cherished memories. We have some photos of my family. Whoops. We have a Polaroid of cherished memories. We have a tiny picture of cherished memories of my sister. So I guess it's just a folder of cherished memories. That's fine, I guess. Let me put the cherished memories back in the cherished memories folder. Well, so long, cherished memories. I have nowhere to put you because I can't put thumbtacks in these walls. Okay, and the last item. I don't know if I want to show it. This poster. Let me just open it. Well, it's double-sided poster, which is fun. So on one side, we have whatever the heck this is. I don't know what anime that is. I don't know what that's from. I did it. And then on the other side is Yuri on Ice, which I do know what that's from. I do like Yuri on Ice. But I didn't buy this. I am 100% certain that I did not buy this. So I have no idea where this came from, how I have it, why I have it, what I'm gonna do with it, what I planned on doing with it whenever I somehow ended up in my possession. I don't know where this came from or what it is. It just exists and it's here in reality and I don't know how. So there you have it. My existential crisis, forever immortalized on film in the internet for the world to see. Message of the day, I need help. Anyway, if you guys have any weird things that you guys own and don't know why don't you go ahead and leave them down in the comments so that I don't feel bad about myself for having a whole bunch of crap that I have no use for. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you let me know by hitting that like button. If you want to see more videos, you can subscribe by hitting my face right below this video box or hitting that big red subscribe button. And if you want to see my last video, you can check it out by clicking on that box right over there. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. For now, this is your pal Jonah signing off saying see you next time on Jonah Entertainment. Bye, everybody.